This is the ultimate camera comparison video of iPhone 17 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. We're testing the selfie video recording and the audio. Now switching on Vivo X200 Pro, this is iPhone 17 Pro. As you can see, I think that's it for the quick selfie and audio test. Let the battle begin. On the ultra-wide, we got a wider field of view on iPhone 17 Pro. Vivo X200 Pro is a bit punched in and warmer compared to the competition. On the main sensor, both phones are really good. We got better bokeh on Vivo X200 Pro, shallower depth of field compared to iPhone 17 Pro. We also have closer focus on the Vivo phone. Now checking the zoom, we got 3.7x on Vivo X200 Pro and 4x on iPhone 17 Pro, but we got a 200 megapixel sensor on the Vivo phone. You will see that even on the 4D zoom, we got better details on the Vivo phone. On portrait mode, using 1x, you would see individual hair strands on the subject, which is really nice on both phones. I think the only difference here is the white balance. We got a warmer white balance on Vivo X200 Pro. On 2x, both phones are really nice. We got a Chinese variant of Vivo X200 Pro, so you will see that it's more beautified look than the competition. Also, the bokeh balls are better looking at the background. We got more details on iPhone 17 Pro looking at the face. On portrait zoom, we got stronger contrast on Vivo X200 Pro, brighter and better exposure on iPhone 17 Pro. Looking at the hair, both phones have really good details. It's a matter of personal taste. And lastly, on the selfie, it's washed out on Vivo X200 Pro on challenging situations. I would go with iPhone 17 Pro. Alright, outdoor video test. Vivo X200 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro. We're using the ultra-wide 4K 30 FPS. Look at the sun and the colors of the grass and the chairs. This is the autofocus test. We got a wider field of view on iPhone 17 Pro, 0.5x versus 0.6x. Let's check the video stabilization. Now switching to the main sensor. Look at the colors. You got brighter and more colorful iPhone 17 Pro compared to a muted and natural looking Vivo X200 Pro. Again, checking the autofocus. Very good on both phones. And let's check the video stabilization. And going for the zoom, we got 4x on iPhone 17 Pro and 3.7x on Vivo X200 Pro. This is a 200 megapixel sensor on Vivo versus 48 megapixel sensor on iPhone 17 Pro. And going for the 4D zoom, we got 24x on iPhone 17 Pro and only 20x on Vivo X200 Pro. On the ultra-wide, we got better exposure on iPhone 17 Pro. Vivo X200 Pro is darker compared to the competition. On the main sensor test, again, same tendency. We got brighter image on iPhone 17 Pro and darker on Vivo X200 Pro, but the contrast is stronger on the Vivo phone. So much to see. Come on, let's go. I'll show you everything. And on night shot zoom, we got better sensor on Vivo. Again, 200 megapixel sensor, so we got more details and better image quality on the X200 Pro. We are starting this low light video test on Vivo X200 Pro. This is selfie camera in 4K 30 FPS. And this is iPhone 17 Pro. In terms of white balance, warmer compared to the competition. This is in 4K 30 FPS. Let's check the rear cameras. Now we're checking the rear cameras on both phones. So 0.5x on the ultra wide for iPhone 17 Pro and 0.6x on Vivo X200 Pro. Looking at the field of view, you would see that you got a wider field of view on iPhone 17 Pro compared to the Vivo phone. In terms of exposure, better exposed on iPhone 17 Pro. Looking at this area right here, looking at the shadows. In terms of white balance, you got warmer white balance on iPhone 17 Pro and cooler tone on Vivo X200 Pro. You also had more details on iPhone 17 Pro. Going to the main sensor, 24mm. Look at the shadows right here. I think almost the same in terms of exposure. Still, you got better details on iPhone 17 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below if you see otherwise. And going for the zoom, you got 3.7x on Vivo X200 Pro and 4x on iPhone 17 Pro. I like the details on Vivo X200 Pro, looking at the cars and the roads. It's almost the same field of view too, almost like 4x for both phones. But you have a 200 megapixel sensor on Vivo X200 Pro. Checking the video features on both phones, we got cinematic on iPhone 17 Pro. We also have this mode on Vivo X200 Pro. We call this portrait video, same as the Samsung phone. Portrait video in 4K 30 FPS. And lastly, the video resolution test. This is iPhone 17 Pro in 4K 30 FPS. And this is Vivo X200 Pro in 8K 30 FPS video recording, twice as iPhone 17 Pro. I think that's it for ultimate camera comparison video between these two phones. Which phone is better? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.